Hey everybody, it's Bill Peterson. Hey, one of the things that I didn't do at all this year, or at least not too much here, is I didn't share the second half of my bird season with everybody. I think everybody on this channel, if you're a friend of mine, you know that my passion is bird hunting and Labrador retrievers, and I can't live without it or them. And so it's an important part of my fall, and I just had a really amazing fall. It just worked out. I had kind of the right time at work, and just was able to take some key times of vacation time. So I spent a little bit of time with some college friends down in Iowa doing some pheasant hunting. We had a great trip reuniting with them. I haven't hunted with them, some of them in a couple of dozen years. I mean, it's been like 20 years since I hunted with two of those college friends. But Angus and I just had a really great year, and it was a perfect end before I went and did some deer hunting and had a great deer season, which I share a little bit with you guys on this channel. But yeah, it was a really amazing season. One of the things you're going to see in this video is we had a real warm year, and when it's super hot, Angus is funny. He doesn't like to carry birds a super long way, particularly pheasants, when it's really hot out. I think he gets all in his mouth and everything. And he's a good retriever, and I've never really complained about it, but I have noticed that when it's really hot, he lays down with the birds. And at first I was mad, and I thought, well, I'll have to discipline that out of him. And I realized after a couple of years of hunting with him, it's just kind of how he processes after he's been super hot. So it's kind of a trait that I think a lot of people would be upset with in a hunting dog, but I don't really, it doesn't bother me. I find the birds, he lays with them. He doesn't let them go anywhere. And I suppose if he cooled down, then he'd bring them over to me. But I always, I don't know, you'll see it, and it doesn't bother me too much. But it was a great season. I just want to share this video with all of you because I had a great time, and yeah, so that's what this video is going to be. If you like the channel, I'd love to see you in the comments. Share it with your friends. It's not professionally done. It's just an amateur out here, and just usually me and the dog. So we're having a fun time, and now we're back onto that 1941 GMC pickup truck that I'm doing in the shop, and that's been a big project. Got that second one sold, and I've got that prepared for travel. So this is a little bit out of order, but it's all pretty good, and then we'll jump back into something in the shop a little later today. So we'll have a great day, and we'll hopefully see you in the comments. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Got some real long retrieves in here because of the wind and the way He's such a good dog. He's a good sport about it. That's a Drake Mallard. Angus, come. Come on. Come. I don't know what he's hunting over there, but he's staying pretty busy. Come on, bring it here. Come. I know you're hot. Come on. Come. Fetch that up. Come on, buddy. Come. Come. So we're wrapping up our week here at Allen's Pretty Okay Campground, and it has been remarkable. Me and Angus have had an incredible day, incredible week. The bird hunting's been fantastic. The pheasants are a little slow because of there's a lot of crop out. It rained a lot and still a lot of beans and corn up, but it's just been a great time. Made a lot of memories with my pup, and I just can't get enough of this. And it's not in the shop working on old stuff, is it, Angus?
but it is definitely doing other stuff that we love. Tomorrow we got to pack up and head out, but it was fantastic, and I can't wait to do it again.